Hey, how are y'all? Wanted to get on here and show you that orange orangutan cardboard dresser with the mange. What I did with it with that DIY paint, that is phenomenal. It is absolutely amazing. I took something that I was so disappointed in the beginning, from trash to treasure. It turned out great. I love it. I don't even know if I'm going to give this to my son or not. I just might keep it. It's so pretty. But DIY paint is amazing. You can do so much with it. And I am just sold. So here is my story on this cardboard dresser. I love Debi's DIY paint. It's absolutely phenomenal. 9 ingredients, the first being love. I guess I needed to have learned all those ingredients, but I didn't. My hubby, being so sweet, found this piece and he was so excited. I was like, make sure that it looks good and it's workable. He brings it home. I look at it and I'm like, babe, did you look at it? He said, well, not a whole lot. I said, look at it. He said, oh, it's not wood. I said, no, it's particle board. So at this point, I just knew I had to cover that orange. So you put a base coat on. You use that Mr. bottle. That Mr. bottle is wonderful. It'll just make that paint flow. My son calls 15 minutes later, and he's like, Mom, I need a dresser. I'm like, son, I have a dresser just for you. He's like, really? I'm like, yes. He's, what color? Orange. Mom. I'm like, what? Okay, I'll paint it. I'm almost to the last piece of that ugly orange. Woo! I am gonna paint this piece for him, and he has no idea his mama's extra. So it's not just gonna be black. You're gonna see a transformed piece here. The colors I ended up using in this was Little Black Dress, Letterpress Gray, Gravel Road, and White Swan, and of course with a touch of Golden Ticket. Can't go wrong by using Golden Ticket. I love it. This is Golden Ticket, 3 parts water to 1 part Golden Ticket. I'm gonna spray it on and just voila, watch it just turn gold. I hope my son likes it. He didn't say anything about gold. Oh well, it wasn't but $50, so I think he'll be happy. If he don't, I'll just keep it. Who knows? I might like it. We'll see. Now you know that us girls are prone to change our minds at the drop of a hat. Well, this is one of those times that I changed mine. I spritzed that Golden Ticket on there, and when it started running on that black, I was getting all excited. Then it started drying, and honestly, it looked like a unicorn done threw up. I'm like, I don't like it. I don't like it. So I'm like, gonna start over. So I just decided to concentrate on the handles, and I put Golden Ticket there, and on the sides of it I saw those little embellishments, the little knobby things, I don't know what you call them, but I started putting that Golden Ticket on there, and the more I slapped it on there, the prettier it looked, and I was like, oh my word, it's gorgeous. Now look, this is what you call taking trash and turning it into a treasure. This was a hot mess in the beginning. It looks so classy. I'm loving it. Last step. This is the magic stuff. Big top coat. I thought about putting wax on it, but I'm gonna do the big top. I seem to be a fan of big top for some reason. But put this stuff on there, it is going to just deepen the color and make it just so much richer. I don't know how it could get any more richer, but it's going to. And it's going to be phenomenal. He's going to love it. He better love it. Anyway, that's next. I've let the piece dry. Now I'm going to put this on. Well, here it is. The finished product. I couldn't be more pleased. I really like the way it turned out. Very pleased. And I hope somehow that this video has inspired you to just create something beautiful. Turn something that is really ugly and just didn't look good at all that you're ready to throw outside and turn it into something beautiful. You can do this. All you've got to do is have a little imagination and let the creative juices flow. You got this. Yes, I'm driving down the road. Yes, I am. But I just needed to come on here and finish this video up. I was scrolling through last night trying to find the end of the story about this dresser, and I didn't even do any end of the story. So I just need to tell you. My son came over yesterday afternoon, and I said, hey, we got that dresser done. And he's like, oh, okay. Well, I don't have time to get it today. I'll get it later. I'm like, you're not even going to come look at it? It's like, Mom, it's just a dresser. What? Just a dresser? Excuse me. It's not just a dresser. It's like a piece of art. Hello? You hurt my feelings. I didn't say that, but I thought it. I'm like, just go look at it. I put a lot of love and time and paint into that thing. Okay, Mom. So he goes in and looks at it, and I would love to report to you that he jumped up and down and grabbed me and hugged me and said, Mom, you're the bestest in the world, and I just love you, and you're so clever, and wow, how beautiful. No, that's not what he said. I can sum it up in one word. Here's what he said. Cool. Cool! Okay, whatever. I can't deal. So, all I need to say to you is, if you have a piece of furniture that you have looked at it and you think there is no hope for that, that is disgusting looking. It looks like it has been ran over 2 or 3 times with a forklift, frontwards and backwards. It looks awful. It's a hot mess. Look, don't go put it out to the side of the road, because somebody, trust me, somebody is going to pick it up. And they're going to post and say, hey, I scored this. It's free furniture. And I'm going to paint it. And they're going to just love it and paint it and make it beautiful. And you just have lost it. So you just take that little piece of furniture, go over to DIY-aGoGo.com. It's going to all be in the description below. And you just buy some paint. Debi Beard sells all kinds of paint on there and all kinds of stuff to go with it. And you can skip on over to DIY-aGoGo and you can order some Iron Orchid design transfers, molds, stamps, you name it. She's got it on there. She's even got clothes and shoes on there. But you buy you some paint, slap it on that piece of furniture, and I am just saying, it is going to be gorgeous. And we're all going to just say, woo, you did it. So that's my story. And that's about the end of it. And I'd love to say there was more to it, and there's bells and whistles, but that's it. The main thing is you just need to go buy some paint. It's awesome. It's just great. I'm sold on it. I am absolutely in love with DIY paint. So I'm going to sign off, and this is it. And I'm just going to say to you what I always say to you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Love y'all. Crazy videos, just skip right on over there to my YouTube channel and hit subscribe. The link is in the description below. Bye.